A horror reimagining. Black screen. Wind howls. A child whisper, "There's no place like home." Cut to a storm twisting through an empty Kansas field. Camera rushes toward a lonely farmhouse. Inside, 17-year-old Dorothy Gale films herself on an old camcorder. If anyone finds this, the storm isn't normal. Thunder crack. The house lifts off the ground. Dorothy screams as nails tear from wood and furniture levitates. A final jolt, impact. Silence. Dorothy wakes in a field of yellow grass, but the grass isn't grass. It's hair. Human hair. She walks, trembling, until blood-red roots pull from the soil like veins. Off in the fog, a crooked sign reads, "Welcome to Oz." Cut. A broken road made of cracked, bleeding slabs. Each stone pulses like a heartbeat. Dorothy steps onto it as voices whisper beneath, "Turn back, or be torn apart." A figure emerges from the fog, tall, limping, stitched together with rope. A wooden mask carved into a wide, fake smile. Dorothy whispers, "Scarecrow?" The creature tilts its head sharply. Insects spill from the eye sockets. A crow pecks at its stuffing. Scarecrow lunges. Cut to black. New voice. She has returned. A cloaked woman hovers above a tower of burnt crows. Green smoke spills from her mouth. Fingernails curl into talons. The Wicked Witch watches Dorothy flee, and she will finish what she started. The yellow road leads Dorothy into a forest where metallic groans echo. A rusted man hangs from chains, unable to scream, his body welded shut. "Help, me," he whispers. His chest door slams open, gears grinding where a heart should be. Cut fast montage. Flying monkeys tear through storm clouds. 4 ruby slippers tapping on the floor by themselves. A lion-shaped shadow with rows of human teeth. Dorothy coughing up straw. The witch reaching through mirrors. A girl swallowed by a tornado funnel of faces. Narrator. Some worlds aren't meant to be revisited. Dorothy stands in front of a blood-soaked throne. A crown floats above it. The witch smiles. "Go on, child. Say the words." Dorothy raises the slippers, trembling. "There's no place." Her voice distorts. Eyes fill with black. Like home. The sky splits open, revealing an infinite cyclone of screaming voices. Title card slam, Gale. Final stinger. Dorothy sits in her Kansas bedroom as parents hug her. "It was all just a dream," Mother whispers. Dorothy smiles. But her shadow on the wall wears a witch's crown. Cut to black. Coming soon.